We are from
English Department,
Student Association,
Resurgence Cabinet.
2021
would like to say
Happy
return for Siliwangi University.
Long Live Siliwangi University.
Together, we become individuals who are active, creative, innovative, and superior.
hopefully
With age,
Siliwangi University
Can be
a formidable university
in organizing
the three pillars of higher education to produce
graduates
with national
insight
and
entrepreneurship spirit.
at the national level.
Let's make
di Siliwangi University.
43rd anniversary celebration
a momentum
to contribute
more
To the
country with
a spirit
of mutual cooperation
In accordance with
our role.
in society.
in accordance with
The Mars of
Siliwangi University.
Abdi Bakti
Bagi Pertiwi.
Semangat Kita.
Semangat Siliwangi.